aba amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yedim Sini papa be na upe biashe amansane winyano baby Kumawu TV amansane yena yedim Kumawu TV aba amansane
right abusha ya mamo ajoanyumre na emakwaba aha eye Kumawu TV aseda enkoma se wanyamre na otu TV ho wotwen ye emra so se hwe na destined p etimi edebro bia wo hwe ifre bia ne 30th of March 2021 enti eya nesa twediampo eguso ede yen ekoya trase benyamre na etimi edi nkomo onum se ukomra se bedwamu a ya de se kinoforiata mapadno komati aboa ama enei yetimi approve no se omeye finance minister emfa emwa na da kokufado na aben na eno no na Haruna Idrusu na afi so no Johnson Esirin Katia Haruna Idrusu Ghana oye minority leader ma se bejo mo se dun katia enso general secretary de ma NDC amanyoko no the leading opposition party here in our country Ghana. We know that to judge them say the appointment or approval of Ken Ofori-Atta no a good omen at the ma NDC. We say yeah pa NDC pa so papa no first 4 years no one year was sell money kojo economy no ya to zoom enti enei almost said that pa man another 4 years no so once am gugu ohonu mu asekura said be 2024 Ghana for be say esese na na kokofo adore na aban anya de na etumi ato aba e de ama NDC benyamre na etumi e de ho enkomo the interest of the country or the interest of a party benyamre etumi e de ho enkomo Greco any ECG na adwuma omo nya power no ma ECG na ECG nso no etumi e de ama ye na etumi ayusu na nansen dumso asase yebusa benefo se nye dumso the Greco for any ECG for that to enim any say omo see omo substations bi another almost expansions ne maintenance works omo nyumadi emu don't you know Canada no do no ebekoso from April akopem be June there to July no ebedundum kanea enti enche omo trase na omo de dumso timetable aba ama yetimi edi so omo se nyina no yese omo de siesie mfidie enti na amasa no akoba the reality eno no ana se hunu se dumso bi na eba na ye pe bi apia etumi de akodru akogu nyamre na won so yetimi edi won koba hunu se parliamentary service board a 6-member board yete o ma se bedwamu na yetimi bua na hwe mafedwafo no omujumadi a omudi akodo eho Johnson asiri nkatia edi akopie mu obra speaker of parliament etimi nominate no menei abeka ho minority and majority nyagro omde abo ni pa che se enkobi e bank ha adwen sa se siedu nkatia omo no de se bitafra che papa no so obo apa ma o manetumi apeja tumpon no rete mensa mo se papa no wante sa oba hoi obaya manyasem mo amagana nkanko no etumi ati akotom nkonde ka no kode a enka ora baben entimi enhe na yenyi asiedu nkatia emfa enfrima no so enkomo ewa ha over the weekend e de beto dwa se Abeku Santana agree o OK FM na despite media udima kotepa papa no obo no moden osan tourism ambassador na ene yese penifo ayi no COVID-19 management ana fund no penifo no ayi ne se ebeya omra no eboa na yentumi modawro emfa NC COVID-19 eho kwan na eno no na yese bebre ama NPP constituency executives bia omo oman Ghana so reja den se eno ane sen na amene omo tiase ne tiase kina sa beku a no mfantima ho ba bi ku no wakogina NDC mu pen as a parliamentary candidate or NDC ni de den na MPP abanso etimi emana appointment. Are we also looking at the interest of the country or the interest of the party? As we nyamre na etimi edi nkomo na penifo MPP executives no opani ba ko an sa secretary na senso ofie benyamre na etimi ni omonso edi enkomo nsam no edoso ofie betimi nyamre na yedi ho enkomo onum se eneyi kene Japan se onya na ajo president edi timo amose Ken omra na Ken se debi onya na ajo president no onya bia obedi 72 minus lost road crashes in January and February nipa ya se kan kwansi aku mo January and February nkwa no mofra om kwan 72 say ohwe a COVID-19 ba ya fini ekubuni pa be 744 na ohwe road accident bo so ba ku bia kwade kumu a ha adwen pa o se timi hwe na etu hu anamon sam no de ados atranse benyamre na etumi adi enkomo wadwen kire 0202668461 o de ba benyamre na yakenkan ede ama screen numbers no ego so fagin telephone nyamre enkamdin ede Michael Nana Admako oba me say Mike atrase NS Kwekweji special assistant to the member of parliament Mensia North and second vice chairman for the NPP Mensia North constituency Ufia Chancellor leading member of the NDC in Ashanti region and of course communication team member for the same party Jake Azantilo and so Ewaha Asada enko Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center Kumawood Training Institute ɛna afei so Godsway Casket Shop safe madaka na ohia bra na ontime muao Tawhid Naturopathic Clinic say bra ayare sabia no obetumi ahwe na ode atotiye atumi ede amansane so say nyame ya do memenda eben on the 2nd memenda cry on the 10th ena nyame eyadoma yede awoso season 2 finals no yede bremo we ya fatna se ohemra no a no na ya papa ya bian sa miensa ya jase na yini ko faje chane patem nyamre enkan etumi emfa once again demo ajo na demo akọ no yes honest akwaba
yeah me Josu Mickey
ya boko de
nyame adom na so
wa fit no se kam
me das
bizana no correct pa why come
Ogada Roma
ho
Augustina
we bia MP ho ye de
nyame adom akosi ho ye
party so bia ho ye
okay Tony na yarba ye say
yes
yo say no ho ye pa okay
Jake Azantilo Jake akwaba
ya nyamenya
boko de
yankupa
this one no so come pa
ojeja no
se da oni chama de mun ti jakra
obi ahon ye de
obi ahon ye
but me musa say dwuma mu te say because we say dum so no affect wadwuma no ana how dey affect mo sa
yakra de nye dum so ne affect adwuma ni kwa de o mu say ne dada
dada ho oh
okay dum so ne de se uwo adwuma na auto diesel na bia obenya mpaso bia 200 cedi na auto diesel be 50 cedi na oye wi na onya mpaso 150 enka aye ba ne kwa de ye nya bi na aye unim se be pem ne oye chicheni test boost up to now 3 years ma o se ye adwuma no
enu 3 years second academic year no 2 years mu na ewu
I say akwatre si what 2 years no
afi na ewura 2 years no
ai to what no
wo bure mu watra ne masa wo 2 years
dabi wo no wa bura mu no to wo
enye ba ma increase years no enye ma increase years
it no wo ko 2 years dia wa ka se 2 years ba what 2 years into wo ko men ka se 3 years me so wo ko 3 years
okay
ana me bua
right me shall say free kwakwaji ho Ernest
yeah Mickey
ketwe be just in 3 minutes mo say edi entina mo mpa be ku Santana
yo Mickey medasi na machia wa hwefo na machia manchia na ofa de share so say no na present birthday
yes
yeah we should have
mudi ma no
ye bonya nkopon so mana hoden
okay
hoden na untimi famu oman no e ma ye na men chache ma untimi do original executives men che o na Sunday ni madam birthday my wife
yes a fire
oh master me aka se fa me pressure no master pressure no
a belated happy birthday to Mr. J belated happy birthday to you if any say
Veronica Frimpong
is a feeding din so
how they can
okay madam Vero
ba nyina ya man ya pe belated birthday enya nwanwa Mrs. so wo hwa media enya nwanwa si aka se amamu bona ama press abaye nyina so a enya nwanwa se oh mama nkasa mama wife
it might be possible to say
ebia pressure wa
pressure awon kire adwendwene
that is not the case enya mo kire enya
obi o he
juma
baby oh obi an ho tono pani di birthday so ni wo nya butre wi
me di nyame adom me di nyame adom Monday
okay so
dey Sunday but ya won to e ba bi
di mamu ntie me nya butre aya pressure ti say dey we na bantiti nyina ya ba kai mu nyina ma mu birthday ni dura ba pressure wo so a birthday ye di birthday wo mu bi a pressure wo so di ni birthday enti asema me kan se muti ase
enti which wife me ma happy birthday belated birthday ukunu de me mfi no ya pressure on person obeje tu ya baba be di ama ya bom pa ya baba be di ama ya do ma ne ti so nka me di ama wa ma wa me ase na to asema
and madam wo adwumam mze GHS
ayo say
GHS
so one pressure one their pressure
no chira de
pressure
one with their pressure
I say Mickey yenya ye jabu afo na ye ni sa na ma no ɛnyɛ mfa ɛnyɛ system ne mfa
sisi so
baby awafi ye menkai
asɛm bi wɔ hɔ a baby awafi ye adwuma kwa wɔ sɛ ayɛ me sɛ
o da me sɛ adwuma mu
da bi ayɛ pressure
sɛ yɛ me sɛ ɛhɔ na ɔkyerɛ de
wafi yɛ afɔ nsɛm fa ne tire wɔ na tutu ami nua wa ɛmrɛ
later na ma sɛ nya me sɛ o ma nkwa tenten
ɛmrɛ
amodi hum ne pa hwɛ nkwala no mai right
na on fa
afi yentio de enti a mo se Abeku Santana mo pese
good
obeko COVID board no so as an ambassador.
Yes. Mickey. Yes, we are so home. Dear one who be no a pain, one who be beam. And yes, and fat to home and a ma and fat to home and my tree, my head, every year. Ubuko ya dear, then senior, yes, senior year, no upon only a 2 buffalo. Now, when we said 2020, you be quite bad to wouldn't Matiami do Konya or the MPP by far so. And then some more Kaya. I don't the day no. Then yes, I next year. And I also say politics and Unia, you the Nipan air. She political party at Tuaba, Amuanya over 600 million, right? And over. Now, in your see a to be named celebrities, Umuche, a BND, a BNP, right? And it's a Kobasa party labor power. Now, so we show will be. Edinaje to Medibia, at least, also within Odo reduction. Now, so, Ode a shelly pen crime, said the Bay and the Pabitia party to me. Where met one, I say, Abeku Santana, say, NDC number and NDC for so on quiet. A penny saying, Covenant ambassador, Ben Hammett. Because for year Juma, church as here. A boa bem, a manipa, or we get more party, a boa mabem. Meaning, says, me know to win. So, a dark caliber of people, maybe. And I want to say, we are, you'll never be happy.
But we tried and tested. Abeku started this tourism, this ambassadorial. We in Caribbean, most of the musicians, Crano. No more than Ukrainian Masu. Inti, Yanka say, Abeku, I prove beyond reasonable doubt, say. Irrespective of political party, be a crown one. A Juma descent is also on no dear. Would be deliver.
Make it. I mean, Musel, since I covered 19 by Abeku Santana, comes who yet a Juma wash a nose mask. I won't be that. I want to be that.
I mean, follow me.
What is over 19 cannot come once and another.
But why not? Why not?
Oh, amount for your contributions, no, Abeku Santana, not buy. Do you understand? And Kofu, I donate you already. And yet, the Abeku Santana back never will be donation. And yet, no back because, and I'm the same thing for fasting on my crib and I'm an Abba. Canada, Japan, I support to Omino. But would you be for Abeku Santana? No. But I met you on say, and yet Abeku Santana and Kwana yet tried and tested. There's a comment to fuck Munina Massa. I want no crown a son, you do razy fans on the Tunkubates. Send Yangro, and I'm a boy. And she said, I don't know, oh, yeah, dear, Nessie and on partisan, dear. What you say? Oh, yeah, we are non partisan, a big or unqualified, and I am partisan, so unqualified. And you don't want any bit me, I said, Jumari, that dear ma or mine. Oh, yes, sir, oh, ma, a nipa, Aukeka, I will party at Moyimono. And fat, and Koye. So what you say? Say, Pioneer, say, oh, Maya, won't ye. Ne man for mo command na ye no sa o man no e ba ko oyira o man kan ko to fam sa na political party tie.
Okay, so what do you expect from the president and answer from the COVID-19 fund board?
Yeah, the American semester on say see na minu suma na minu na ehwe so na me to na say Abeku yenim be bia wo gina so ku gina NDC se nko pese obepre parliamentary and a okra no mi no hwe na me boa into ntimi kura me contest as a candidate na ma party no tini political career nti se akoba se akonya bia ba dese wo se ye poma ndi djuma ye wo ne so so e wo MPP
but the president say aba Ghana for to December 7th no actually say ye pese both parties no e ye djuma bum no man page.
Yeah,
you heard the president.
Parent na kai
and then over to be our customer so be for no kra no both sides no nyina nka mo man into page.
No correct.
So man pani and I say aban no so betimi say man o man let me page. What is wrong with it?
And then I think
one position is a very dangerous position because mo ye constituency executives of the party.
Yes.
And I'm making such statement.
Yes.
I know yes do.
Enya because ye di nipa frefem no koye adwuma. Ye fa party ma wo fam sa party ma na e kasa. Sa ni me cause won say atintra ha ba bia. Party no and the wo aban no. They are not happy. And then the party what can they and then came man ko gina finance minister. And I say fan tourism ministry. Because obetimi aye. And am eboa. So why then? At the end of the president, what born the ministers when this before? I don't want to go for beyond. I did not qualify. Massa, I did not idea MPP people should tread cautiously. Okay. But we are very careful. Then yadia a bebo cause massa. I dare my team to the again. Any the paper MPP co op to but yes, here all inclusive government. Now the other day, the SCC and massa. Sunday man and more. My team to the Oyamode also want to mini a cron for end now. Massa, I know, okay, baby. Nipa send or chi womo. Nipa oya de modi be the casa Martin ni bi wo meye. So am pende mother serpent. Was what then? Mother serpent. And na dey a friend say, "Ko du ban and the ball o man pani." Wo di ona kasa ne obetimi aka de opebia. Obetimi aka ne opebia. What is your next line of action if the board decide not to withdraw your appointment? Say, yeah, the sir release yaba. So omo say you be petition appropriate headquarters region is about money be ni a petition president friend is chief of staff na board na nkasa petition them so omo massa you be your friend is saying the mopa e dey akere omo say ni abre so on percent 2024 no ye jemu dia you should tell us Jake in 4 minutes mintio this appointment and a issue ever
Naminchia or more Majibra or Mushaya. Good. Tetraminchia and Jesus, Naminchia for one person. Yankasa, Yankopon, I bet 2016, and over year and I've been so fantastic in this one contested for year and I've been so over fantastic. Oh, one contested for year and I've been. Oh. Are you true? Part no ho. Mama yen di mo. Mama yen di mo tin. Abekwa contest. O ye na adwin so over contest. And the poster babo ntin. And them so ye nti sisi adota ba me poster babo ntin ya. Ye bi se so di na se woni mo. Nti mfa o tin kokko bi wo ba bi a. O ti da bi don do. Okay. Obi mi keep on tat ti dia. Wa babo ntin ko. Oh. We na ane bremu na ni bi aba. Nti on contest o ye na adwin so over contest. Promise kura wa anko. Nti mama ma ye ntwantro na me ndi na so ye NDC ni me nka sa nti wona o mane hawa daughter ba me de aba alanche matimu die nyina aba so obi the statement aba say nye o mu na ye nti obi betima champion bibisa ba wan contest nti o mo ye say abeko person ya ambassador na o mo so o mu mpene ma ne nya me ha me ba ne kura wo mu de o ka me bia for obi ho a na waka ne kura wo obi a o hwe ni bia o hwe UTV Saturday about 5 o'clock abeku ye program we interview musicians obi obakasa abeku onye COVID-19 avert bia no twantro mama program kura wo ye so obi a wo he bibia wo ka wo say the straight time wo na wa ka wa asam so ati ase oye we mi nye yefunu ye ni yare obi eni nti na ma bo program ni jin so obi a wo he bibia wo we no ubehunu so won fa mana me no ya adwene ba me ntwantro nto so say COVID-19 no mwa Put us over Twinta and Dias so about class or be different center. And the mama program kro or your program entertainment Saturday at 2 Saturday at 2 I am in the far or yes our program so yeah was set time COVID-19 was said that can was but me media MPP for the Derby America and young one and intina ye MPs in Tina Parliament a party ministers are more bon umunimusu and you complain and for see Tio obi a we mi ntie so mo hunnie me ekọ just say abo bi say we ambassador kwa wo ono board no kwa we nya bo chairman wo ni tumi bi board no otimbi ni ye de we na asuma ni say won ka ho asem anu kura dani yisu Ghana ni bi awa Ghana ni bi ntie se ye ka MPP for asem a ye mu bi ye tena se ni ye ka MPP for asem a nkofo fisi ye di ago aba o mu politics ye de o mu mfa ndi agoro eni ntini ye mu bi eni na me madua me to nyina no enye NDC na me do a e ka communication kwa nka majai because of finance minister we ya pass no
you come there
so what you say ba me the example sa niema we ntia enye no kura da MPP fo mpa nka bom da ba da bia omude adwunka se bi ti Ghana fo MPP nka no kura da ese nka bom pa me nua chama to ya me nua ba politics a obekumi agi kumi no me kan bia sa na MPP fo tie ni mo nti me nyanwa abeko de ompa mo mafia no ompa mo nyini mfiri so me kwa ya me de ompa mo mfiri ho MPP NDC for the penny and saka no the penny and saka nti na me si January dia no kwa se ababa ho because enye ma ekoso asem we ombo hu dewuro a obi abo hu dewuro NDC for kura mususu si ye kura mpona ye politics giti kura what say NDC ni bia tena we du so akasa te akwa bi 19 ni da there be a problem member there be a problem sir a woman in the eka the problem say a woman to the eka no so I am right say meka so o man panyi ka so be we wa anya me gindi say we nipa boni ni so what you say me gindi so obi asa we nipa boni ni ba ye nua no MPP fo ni de say yi mu me so wa nua ma me ba papa bakura no a na udi MPP ni agura fo mutum ni so a o mo fa to kankan na akofo ado amamu we president kofo amamu ni de aye anu no die ne president ni su se banana akufo ado ma odiga na konechi sa asem we meka na nkofo office me boa obeka ya former president Professor Mesa wanya ne be ko nyankopon fa ne kranse obetu kokobo chief executive na president kofo be wi amamu no obetu no wanyi ne dida onim so ye adwuma akọ pension 20 years ansa ne appointed Dr. Puni ba MPP ba mu Dr. Puni nya ba mu kwa no mo pam no new abepum ne omo so ye kromfo bepum ne omo nya wan charge kromfo mbo no omo de ni court na omo adane asam no na omo 4 years ne ayi offense Dr. Puni na omo so ye kromfo 4 years ne omo ntimi mfa no nkotum mpo
into advice ne say
ntimi de ma advice ne say abeku krampo no binima do konti o accept ye wo ye wo adwuma sebi enya ambassador we na obeye ni ne bebua wo because baby e waduru mi Jesus kura ye gbogbo omu nyine gido na afa wo nsam kunku di satawale mo a mo kura mo gidi a o mo respect ni pa o mo na be ko o mo respect ni lord because wa boa bebre ono anka tene TV mi Jesus o mo gidi enim niema o kan ya gidi nti yare aba na ye di na akosere bi so o muwa na mo se mo mpena abai ku munyinu MPP fo munyire mo ni yenyinu mo ma ni nye adwuma because o nye adwuma na o be say Ghana
right
o munyire no munyinu
sebra na ye kenka Maurice kuna those are numbers so fa ni pass bra ni nyamre kenka intimi emfa I mauna Gospel casket shop se me kan jo say dey akwanya na ba obi ka say eyim na de nso eyim nya ba fi ku ada na the pressure pa e na ba no ka de chance wife ra no di be na pressure pa no dey e na e de aba mo tia ne tu na mo na mo tu no ne say after 1 week no we ba kumase ana we ba fra to dwai na what mean na din komo if na kan dey be benya bi di amount all kinds all sizes with prices are all from pabenya e ama won so pese tuto ho a obeboa o sa so e na mo a mo pese mo nya ambulance o bibli o ha betwe di aboa wo o sa pe Brazil dia obenya video camera o se bra eye hu bia so ba Gospel casket shop obetumi aboa o Kumase Fantino town e hono liberal about udu opepe abo sani fa so e na wo 0243 737457 0243 737457 ofra obejo so na afi otimi anybody nkomo you go so edi nkomo faje nchane bra the NDC are saying the approval of Ken Ofori-Atta as finance minister to serve in his second term under Nana Akufo-Addo na ben mu no a good omen na omo say one messy up in the first 4 years the man as finance minister I don't know much that approval no said the bear some messy up you now give way for the NDC to win 2024 general elections. This the NDC eka how na Drusu minority leader and afei so no board member at the parliamentary service board and the general secretary for the NDC and so to their Jake company for some kan no almost say not the interest of this country but almost papa no wabon nti ne bom no sabi omo pese okobon to aso na Ghana bo ansa 2024 no e ja asem nsa mo bi say ya say mo man no
me no mo nya adwene sa asam ko ba ka ne de me no mo nya adwene obi aye mistake now we see what for it sabi ya se kwase ya ne nsisa ne nante obi aye mistake first 4 years pass am na kwanya so onko sabi no ko no e no kwale since 2 years so ko no ye the mistakes are no ye first for 4 years no now okọ no hu ni me so e bet no so e ne bet so je ne mani bibiri tu so aye mistake into oji di sa mistake no be ye bi
yanya abo afọ nkra to mra sesia ya mra sesia ya ba sesia
Enyaro ahodo ben na agi nipadua no aboso yare bi ti se eni yare akoma yare wadumu ato wontimi ndidi oba ne barima wontimi nwo mekanfo tahwid naturopathic clinic adodo na efreye Madam Katri clinic di amawo Madam Katri clinic enam homeopathy naturopathy so betu yare nyina efri ho ye ne kofa ba ye de Madam Katri